From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish.
Vietnam's phở, phlegm, pronounced phở, is Vietnam's most iconic dish, a fragrant, flavorful noodle soup that has won hearts worldwide. Its history reflects Vietnam's cultural evolution, colonial influences, and regional diversity. The exact origins of phở are debated, but it likely emerged in northern Vietnam around the late 1800s to early 1900s. Several theories exist. French colonial influence. Some historians believe phở evolved from the French dish pot au fait beef stew, adapted with Vietnamese spices like star anise, cinnamon, and ginger. The name, phở, may derive from Phu French for fire. Chinese noodle soup influence. Others argue that phở developed from Chinese immigrant traditions, particularly Guangdong-style beef noodle soup, but with a distinct Vietnamese twist. Local Vietnamese adaptations. Before phở, northern Vietnamese ate Chao Trao water buffalo noodle soup. When French colonizers promoted beef consumption, vendors replaced buffalo with beef, creating an early version of phở. 1920s, 1950s, phở first gained popularity in Hanoi, sold by street vendors carrying pots on bamboo poles. Gone phở, originally called phở Thai, rare beef phở. It featured clear broth, flat rice noodles, and thinly sliced beef. Over time, variations like phở cheen, well-done beef, and phở gat chicken phở emerged. After the 1954 partition of Vietnam, many northerners fled to the south, bringing phở with them. In Saigon now, Ho Chi Minh City, phở evolved. Southern phở became sweeter, with more herbs, basil, cilantro, bean sprouts, lime, and hoisin sauce. Northern phở remained simpler, focusing on pure broth flavor with just green onions and cilantro. After the Vietnam War in 1975, Vietnamese refugees introduced phở to the US, France, Australia, and beyond. Over time, it became a global comfort food, with adaptations like Pho Ba beef phở, Pho Ga chicken phở, vegetarian and fusion versions. For example, phở with meatballs, seafood, or tofu. In 2007, phở was added to the Oxford English Dictionary, recognizing its worldwide impact. UNESCO has considered recognizing pho as an intangible cultural heritage, celebrated in festivals like Ngày Phở Vietnam, Vietnam Phở Day, the 4th of April. From its humble beginnings in Hanoi streets to becoming a global sensation, phở embodies Vietnam's resilience, creativity, and culinary artistry. Whether enjoyed in a Saigon alley or a New York restaurant, each bowl tells a story of tradition and adaptation.
The recipes for all of our dishes are linked in the description below. Like, subscribe, and click on the next video.